In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checkboxes question with SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is a popular tool used for creating surveys, and knowing how to add a checkboxes question can help you collect multiple responses from participants efficiently. So let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to follow. First, let's start by heading to the SurveyMonkey website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in surveymonkey.com in the address bar, then hit enter. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can create one quickly by following the sign up prompts on their website. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will direct you to the login page. For the sake of convenience and speed, let's log in using a Google account. Click on the Login with Google button, which should be prominently displayed on the login screen. You'll then be prompted to choose the Google account you want to associate with SurveyMonkey. Simply select your desired account from the list, and you'll be logged in instantly. Now that you're logged into your SurveyMonkey account, it's time to head over to the design section where you can create your survey. Once there, look for the Build button. Clicking on Build will take you to a page where you can start constructing your survey from scratch or by using existing templates. The next important step is to add a checkbox question to your survey. Within the Build section, look for the option that allows you to add questions to your survey. You'll usually see a menu or panel with different question types. From the list of available question types, choose Checkboxes. This feature allows respondents to select multiple options from a list, making it perfect for questions where you want to gather comprehensive feedback or capture multiple preferences. Once you've selected the checkboxes question type, it's time to craft your question and provide the answer choices. Click on the new checkbox question to enter edit mode. Here you'll be able to type in your question in the designated field. Below the question text field, you'll find multiple lines where you can input your answer choices. Feel free to add as many options as you believe are necessary for your survey. And there you have it. You've successfully created a checkboxes question in SurveyMonkey. This feature is particularly useful for gathering nuanced feedback, allowing respondents to choose more than one answer that applies to them. Don't forget to save your changes and preview your survey to ensure everything looks just the way you intended. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips on using SurveyMonkey and other great tools for your surveys. Have a great day.